A cordial greeting. Today is Friday, November 15, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. At the time of recording this video, it is 6:30 a.m. local time in Honduras, where heavy rains continue to affect the northern half of the country. These rains are associated with Tropical Storm Sara, whose circulation center is currently located along the Honduran coast. During the past night, the circulation center of Tropical Storm Sara moved on to parts of the Honduran coast. This has kept the storm relatively weak, with maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour. Its trajectory remains southward, interacting with land, which will likely prevent significant strengthening before it reaches Belize and northern Guatemala. Current projections indicate that between Saturday and Sunday, the storm will pass through these areas as a weak to moderate tropical storm. The primary risk associated with Tropical Storm Sara continues to be heavy rains and flooding, already reported across Honduras. Similar rainfall events are expected in Belize, northern Guatemala, parts of El Salvador, western Nicaragua, and western areas of Panama and Costa Rica. In the past 24 hours, heavy rains have affected northern Honduras, and this rain event is expected to continue for another 24 to 36 hours. Some areas are already experiencing flooding, making today particularly dangerous for the region. No significant changes in the storm's future trajectory were observed overnight. Models show strong consensus that Sara will maintain a very slow westward movement, remaining parallel to or over Honduras' northern coast at least until Saturday morning. It is then expected to gradually shift west-northwestward, eventually reaching Belize on Sunday morning or afternoon. By Sunday, Sara should be near northeastern Guatemala and parts of the Campeche state in Mexico. However, as it moves over land, it is expected to weaken and dissipate before reaching the Gulf of Mexico. Regarding its intensity, the consensus remains that it will reach Belize as a weak or moderate tropical storm. While some models suggest it could strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane, its interaction with Honduras' northern coast will limit such intensification. For this reason, the National Hurricane Center maintains its forecast for the storm to arrive in Belize as a weak tropical storm on Sunday morning. Here is the official trajectory from the National Hurricane Center. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for Honduras' Caribbean coast, and a tropical storm watch will likely be issued for Belize later today. The main global models, including the American and European models, agree on this forecast, showing a weak tropical storm approaching eastern Belize on Sunday morning. Regarding rainfall projections for the next 72 hours, central, northern, and northwestern Honduras could receive an additional 600 to 700 millimeters of rain. Southern Quintana Roo, northern Guatemala, Belize, eastern El Salvador, and western Honduras could see between 200 to 250 millimeters. Extreme caution is advised, particularly in northwestern Honduras, where the heaviest rainfall is expected. More specifically, intense rain in Honduras is expected to subside by Saturday afternoon. Between Sunday and Monday, the heaviest rain will shift to western Nicaragua, southern Honduras, and eastern El Salvador, as well as southern Quintana Roo, Belize, and northern Guatemala. Additionally, heavy showers are expected along the western coasts of Panama and Costa Rica over the weekend, with 150 to 200 millimeters of rain possible over the next 3 days. That concludes today's forecast update. No significant changes are expected in the projections, so the next video will be recorded tomorrow morning. To ensure you don't miss these updates, check if you're subscribed to my channel. If not, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos. That's all for now. Take care, and see you tomorrow.